Have you ever wondered how meditation can lead to spiritual enlightenment and deep connection with the divine? In a society where stress and agitation are constant, many seek an escape and a way to reconnect with their deepest essence. Meditation offers this route, promising not only relief from daily chaos, but also a path to inner peace and spiritual awakening. But how does this process really work? How can the practice of sitting in silence guide us to such profound insights? Prepare to discover how meditation can be the key to unlocking your spiritual potential and transforming your life in ways you never imagined. Today, amid the frenetic pace of modern life, many of us seek a deeper connection, something that transcends us and brings us closer to our spiritual essence. Meditation emerges as a powerful tool in this quest, allowing us to explore deeper layers of our being and achieve a state of peace and clarity. But how can meditation really help us find this spiritual connection? And why has this practice become so essential for personal growth and well-being? Although meditation is widely recognized for its benefits, many face significant challenges in trying to establish a deep spiritual connection through this practice. Common difficulties include lack of concentration, the external environment that interferes with the necessary tranquility, and the struggle to silence the agitated mind. Also, the absence of guidance or a clear understanding of the various meditation techniques can be discouraging. Many feel lost, not knowing where to start or how to persevere in their spiritual journey. To overcome these challenges and open the doors to spiritual enlightenment, it is essential to explore the different meditation techniques and create a sacred space for reflection. Here are some steps and methods that can help. Choosing the ideal meditation technique is key to starting your spiritual journey. There are many approaches, each with its own benefits. Mindfulness meditation, for example, focuses on mindfulness of the present moment, helping to calm the mind and reduce stress. Transcendental meditation uses specific mantras to facilitate a deep state of relaxation and self-awareness. Another option is guided meditation, where a voice guides you through visualizations and reflections. For those who prefer a more minimalist practice, Zen meditation offers a focus on observing thoughts without judgment. Each technique offers a unique path to spirituality, allowing you to find the one that best resonates with your inner being. Creating a sacred space for meditation is essential for deepening your spiritual practice. This environment should be calm and distraction-free, promoting a sense of tranquility and introspection. Start by choosing a quiet corner of your home where you feel comfortable and safe. Add elements that inspire peace and reflection, such as candles, incense, crystals or plants. It may be useful to include objects with personal meaning, such as statues or images of spiritual figures, that resonate with your journey. Soft lighting and quiet music can also help create an atmosphere conducive to meditation. This sacred space becomes a haven, where you can disconnect from the outside world and immerse yourself in its inner connection. Regular practice and consistency are vital for developing and deepening your meditation journey. Setting a fixed schedule, whether in the morning or in the evening, helps create a habit that integrates naturally into your daily routine. Starting with just 5 to 10 minutes a day and gradually increasing the duration can make the process more manageable and less intimidating. The key is perseverance. Even on days when the mind is agitated or distracted, sitting down to meditate reinforces the commitment to your spiritual growth. Regularity not only improves the ability to meditate, but also creates a constant space for self-reflection and spiritual enlightenment. Over time, this practice becomes a pillar of serenity and balance in your life. Deep meditation can lead to altered states of consciousness, providing experiences that transcend everyday reality and connect you with deeper dimensions of your being. These states can be explored through various techniques, such as conscious breathing, which uses breathing patterns to calm the mind and enter a deep meditative state. Silently repeated mantras help to focus the mind and raise the spiritual vibration. Creative visualization is also powerful, guiding you through mental landscapes that evoke peace and connection. These methods allow the mind to overcome its usual limitations, opening doors to expanded understanding and a sense of unity with the universe. Exploring these states can bring deep insights and a renewed sense of spiritual purpose. Reflecting and integrating the experiences gained in meditation is crucial to turning insights into tangible spiritual growth. After each session, take a few minutes to contemplate what you felt and realized. Keeping a meditation diary is a valuable practice, allowing you to record emotions, thoughts, and any deep spiritual experience. This writing process helps consolidate learnings and identify patterns or recurring themes in your journey. In addition, the integration of these reflections in your daily life can be done through practices such as mindfulness, applying the calm and clarity obtained in meditation to everyday situations. Over time, this continuous practice of reflection and integration strengthens your spiritual progress and enriches your understanding of yourself and the universe. I would like to share a personal experience that illustrates the transformative power of meditation and spiritual reflection. There was once in my spiritual journey, when I was going through a period of great uncertainty and anxiety. Life seemed chaotic, and I felt disconnected from any sense of purpose or direction. In search of relief, I decided to devote myself more seriously to meditation. Every morning, before dawn, I sat in silence, with a burning candle and soft background music. Initially, my mind was agitated, full of thoughts and worries. But over time, something began to change. With each meditation session, I felt a growing peace and a deep sense of connection to something greater than myself. One morning, during an especially quiet meditation, I had an experience that changed my perspective forever. Suddenly, I felt like I was wrapped in a soft, welcoming light. It was a sense of unconditional love and acceptance, as if all my worries and fears were dissolved. I felt a deep connection with the universe, a sense that I was part of a greater and divine whole. This experience not only brought a deep sense of peace, but also inspired me to seek a life more aligned with my spiritual values. Since then, meditation has become an essential practice in my life, a door to spiritual enlightenment and a constant source of strength and serenity. Through meditation, we can connect with our spiritual essence and discover a deep source of peace and clarity. By exploring different techniques, creating a sacred space for practice and maintaining a regular routine, we can overcome common challenges and experience the transformative benefits of this spiritual journey. Meditation allows us to calm the mind, expand consciousness, and find a deeper sense of purpose and connection to the universe. Now, we invite you to share your own spiritual journey in the comments below. How has meditation impacted your life? What experiences and insights have you had in seeking a deeper spiritual connection? And don't forget to explore more spiritual content on our channel to continue your journey of self-discovery and growth. The spiritual journey is a unique and personal adventure. May every step you take be full of light and discovery.